Feeling low on energy and brain power, assuming you need more meat or an expensive supplement is a mistake. The secret to a complete natural B complex, better heart health, and a balanced gut isn't a pill, but a simple, cheesy flake. We'll reveal the affordable powerhouse that changes everything and how to use it. Welcome to Levitas. Do you currently take a B complex supplement, and if so, what benefits are you hoping to see? Drop your answers in the comments below. It really helps the algorithm share this life-changing information with more people. Also, don't forget to hit that like button. The cheesy flake. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is this magical ingredient often nicknamed nooch? Nutritional yeast, or Saccharomyces cerevisiae, is a deactivated yeast, meaning it's grown on a medium like molasses or sugarcane, harvested, and then heated to deactivate it. This process stops the yeast from growing, so you cannot use it to bake bread. It's purely a food product. The result is a flaky yellow food additive with a distinctly savory, umami, and cheesy flavor, which is why it's so popular in plant-based cooking. Crucially, nutritional yeast is naturally rich in a wide array of vitamins, minerals, and protein. Some varieties are also fortified, meaning additional B vitamins, which is essential for nerve function and red blood cell production, are added during the manufacturing process. But fortified version can represent a load of added synthetic components. A serving or two daily is often enough to meet your full B vitamin needs, making it an easy way to supercharge your diet with these essential nutrients. It's an affordable and versatile source of nutrition that you can sprinkle on almost anything. Here are some additional benefits you can easily enjoy. Benefit number 1. The second major advantage of incorporating nutritional yeast into your diet is its exceptional and complete protein profile, which is a game changer for whole food nutrition. When we talk about complete protein, we mean a food that contains all 9 essential amino acids that our bodies cannot synthesize on their own and must obtain through diet. This is particularly noteworthy for a plant-derived or fungal food source, as many plant proteins are incomplete, requiring careful pairing for full nutritional benefit. A standard 2 tablespoon serving of nutritional yeast can provide a substantial 5 to 10 grams of high-quality protein, making it an efficient way to boost the protein content of meals like salads, soups, and eggs. This protein is crucial for muscle repair, enzyme production, and overall satiety, helping you feel fuller for longer and supporting your metabolic health. The biological value of this yeast protein is high, meaning the body can efficiently utilize the amino acids. A review on novel protein sources highlights the potential of yeast as a sustainable and nutritionally dense protein supplement. For vegans, vegetarians, or anyone looking to diversify their protein sources, this complete amino acid profile is an invaluable benefit, ensuring your body has the building blocks it needs without relying solely on animal products. It is a true all-in-one nutritional solution. Benefit number 3. Beyond vitamins and protein, the fiber and beta-glucan content in nutritional yeast provides powerful benefits, particularly for your cardiovascular or heart health. Beta-glucans are a type of soluble fiber, which are naturally occurring polysaccharides found in the cell walls of yeast, oats, and barley. These compounds are recognized for their incredible cholesterol-lowering effects and their ability to modulate blood sugar levels. When consumed, beta-glucans form a gel in the digestive tract, which binds to dietary cholesterol and prevents its absorption into the bloodstream, actively reducing harmful LDL cholesterol levels. The U.S. Food and Drug Administration has actually made a qualified health claim regarding the role of beta-glucan soluble fiber in reducing the risk of coronary heart disease. Specifically, a study in the European Journal of Nutrition showed that yeast beta-glucan can effectively lower total and LDL cholesterol, making it a powerful natural intervention. Furthermore, the fiber content, both soluble and insoluble, also promotes healthy bowel movements and stabilizes blood glucose response, which is essential for preventing insulin spikes and maintaining long-term arterial health. Incorporating this fiber-rich food regularly can be a delicious and easy way to support a strong and healthy heart, making it an essential addition to any diet focused on longevity and wellness. Benefit number 4. The benefits of nutritional yeast extend deep into your digestive tract, offering significant improvements for better gut health, a cornerstone of overall well-being. The rich fiber content, particularly the beta-glucans and other non-digestible carbohydrates, acts as a powerful prebiotic, which is food for the friendly bacteria living in your colon. These prebiotics selectively feed the good bacteria, helping them to flourish and crowd out potentially harmful microbes, leading to a more balanced and diverse gut microbiome. A diverse microbiome is linked to better immune function, improved mood, and enhanced nutrient absorption, highlighting the gut's central role in health. Furthermore, the cell wall components of nutritional yeast have been shown to positively modulate the immune system in the gut lining. A study published in the journal Nutrients reported that beta-glucans from yeast can enhance the activity of immune cells, suggesting a protective effect on the intestinal barrier. This means that consuming nutritional yeast can help reduce inflammation in the gut and support a stronger defense against pathogens. The combination of prebiotic action and immunomodulatory effects makes this food a fantastic and natural way to nurture your gut health from the inside out, contributing to everything from less bloating to improved regularity. Benefit number 5. Moving on, let's highlight the powerful antioxidant effects provided by nutritional yeast, a lesser-known but equally vital benefit. Antioxidants are compounds that neutralize harmful free radicals in the body, which are unstable molecules that can damage cells, leading to chronic diseases and signs of aging. Nutritional yeast is a natural source of key antioxidants, including glutathione and selenomethionine. Glutathione is often referred to as the body's master antioxidant because it plays a critical role in detoxification and cellular protection. The yeast is particularly rich in selenium, an essential trace mineral that acts as a cofactor for antioxidant enzymes. Research published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry confirms that yeast products possess strong antioxidant properties, largely due to their sulfur-containing compounds like glutathione. Regular consumption of foods rich in antioxidants can help combat oxidative stress, supporting the health and longevity of your cells. This means that by simply sprinkling some nooch on your food, you're not just getting B vitamins and protein. You're also fortifying your body's natural defenses against daily environmental stressors, making it a comprehensive addition to an anti-aging and disease-preventing diet. Benefit number 6. A significant point of appeal for a wide audience is that nutritional yeast is naturally both dairy and gluten-free, making it an inclusive superfood. This quality makes it a perfect and safe ingredient for those with lactose intolerance, dairy allergies, or celiac disease. Because of its distinctly cheesy and savory flavor, it's an excellent substitute for cheese in many recipes, from sauces to roasted vegetables. This versatility allows people with dietary restrictions to enjoy rich, umami flavors without compromising their health or dietary needs, offering a solution where traditional ingredients are prohibited. Nutritional yeast tip. Now that you know the power of nutritional yeast, the natural question is, how much should you eat daily to reap the maximum benefits? For most adults, the recommended serving size is typically 1 to 2 tablespoons per day. This small amount is usually enough to provide your full daily value of the B-complex vitamins, including the crucial B12, along with a meaningful dose of protein and fiber. Consistent daily intake is key for maintaining stable B vitamin levels, especially for energy and nerve health. You can easily incorporate this serving by sprinkling it over salads, mixing it into a smoothie, whisking it into scrambled eggs, or using it as a savory seasoning for sauces. Remember that more is not always better. Sticking to the recommended dose ensures you get the benefits without over-supplementing, making it an easy and effective daily habit for superior health. In conclusion, nutritional yeast is a complete and powerful natural superfood for your health. Its B complex, complete protein, and beta-glucans fuel energy, build muscle, and protect your heart. The fiber and antioxidants promote better gut health and cellular longevity. Enjoy 1 to 2 tablespoons daily for a dairy and gluten-free nutritional boost. Watch this video suggestion, it was especially picked for you. Also share, comment, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. It helps a ton with the algorithm. Remain tuned for future videos to empower your health and fitness journey. So, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.